So now we are going to remove these broken bolts here inside here. So they have refused to be removed by welding. We managed to remove one, but this one we are going just to drill them throughout. Then so the bolts looks like this one. It is 10 millimeters with a pitch of 1.5. So we are going to drill the two. So in drilling, we are going to first drill with 4 millimeters. Then afterwards we shall drill with 8 millimeters. Since the bolt is of 10 millimeters, then the rest we shall move them using a small chisel like this one, like this. That then everything shall be fine and okay. So as I said, we shall drill with 8 millimeters. So you have to make sure that you're in a straight line. As you are seeing here, we have drilled through the hole very well. Let me try to zoom in. So the hole has passed through. So what we are going to do now, we are going to remove these remaining pieces of the bolt here. So we're going to use So these are the remaining pieces of the bolt here, as you are seeing, sir. This is one of the remaining pieces of the bolt. So these remaining pieces here is what we are going to remove, because we drill with 8 millimeters. So like 2 millimeters are remaining inside. So we have to remove them using this. Then we shall save the threads. Here. So this is the remaining chip here, which was inside of 2 millimeters of the bolt. So it has 4 millimeters. Also, we have finished to drill through this one. So what you are going to do, you are going to remove the remaining pieces. Then afterwards, we shall just put in the tap so that we can make the threads a bit sharp. Then everything shall be done. So the same story as you are seeing here. Also, these ones are the remaining piece of the bolt here, as you are seeing here, the remaining piece of the bolt here. So let's finish the job, then we send the clients. So also this is the remaining chip of the bolt we have removed here. So as you are seeing here, the threads, they are inside and we have saved them. Also this side we have saved them. So let me bring the taps of 10.15. Julius, bolt waje tutte. So as you see, everything is fine and okay. So thank you for watching, as you see.